Hello. Today we will learn how to put internal link and external link in Gutenberg text editor. So here is our article on Succulent Garden Web, and we will learn how to put both of them in this article. So what are internal links? Internal links are hyperlinks that point to different pages on the same website. Okay, like um, like it is the hyperlink on one page of your site that directs the reader to the target page on your site. Okay, and it helps Google find, index, and understand all the pages uh, on your website. So for example, yeah, for example, slow growing aloe. So we already have an article on slow growing succulents, and in that list we already listed aloe variety too. So simply we select the slow growing word, and this will pop up, and we select this chain button. Here we type slow, then we have our article 10 slow growing succulents. So we just enter that and we are done with internal link. Okay, इसी की तरह से हम और भी इंटरनल लिंक कर सकते हैं, बट मेक श्योर कि वो बिल्कुल रिलेटेड है एंड पॉइंट टू पॉइंट है. ओके, नाउ come forward to external link. So what are external links? External links are the hyperlinks that directs the reader to a reputable page on a different website. Okay, for example, mm, yeah, if eaten can lead to cardiac glycosides, so here we claim something, right? And if we put the reputed link on it, so ये ज़्यादा better रहेगा. So we just select this word, and I already have the link where I got this information, and I got this information from this point. Okay, so I just copy this link, go to our article, select the particular sentence, or you can select the particular word also, and same as internal link, we just click on that chain button, and um, yeah, here we just pasted the link and select the link. Okay, so here we are done with external link too. इसी की तरह से हमें और भी अगर हमें लगता है कि हम एक्सटर्नल लिंक पुट कर सकते हैं जो कि important है, so we can do that. Okay, I think you got it. Thank you so much.